Hello and welcome everyone. This is Tanya at Learn with Ears. So let's start with our today's topic, that is to be verb, main verb and auxiliary verb. Be is an irregular verb. It is used as a main verb and as an auxiliary verb, means helping verb. So though be is an irregular verb, well, it does have its many forms. Now let's see all forms of the verb of be. Infinitive, okay, that is to be, the base form to be. Then we have present tense, past tense, future tense, present participle and past participle. So in present tense we use am, is and are. We use am with I, is with he, she, it, okay, with singular subjects. He is, she is, it is, or you can use any name like Jack is. Are we use with plural. We, you, they. We use are. Now we have past tense. In past tense we use was and were. Was we use with singular subjects like he, she, it, and were we use with plural subjects like you, we, they. In future tense we use will be. This is simple one, okay? Will be. Present participle. In present participle we use be and ing with be, okay? Being, like my friend is being polite, okay? My teacher is being helpful. Next is past participle. In this we use been with have and has. Have we use with plural subjects and has we use with singular subjects. Have been, has been, okay? Now let's understand to be as a main verb. As a main verb, the verb to be acts like linking verb. Now you might be wondering, what is a linking verb? Linking verbs link the subject with the information about the subject. A linking verb does not describe an action. For example, he is a doctor. So he is a subject. Is linking verb. And doctor is information about subject. Okay, linking verbs link the subject with the information. Linking verb link the subject with information. Okay, the verb to be expresses the existence of a person or thing, and it gives us more information about the person or thing. To be as a main verb we use with noun, with adjective, with prepositional phrase. You are a writer. You is a subject, are is be verb, and writer is a noun. You are a writer. I am a doctor. He is a driver. Writer, doctor, driver. These are nouns. So we use to be with nouns. Now we use to be with adjective. I am happy. These are subjects and these are adjectives. Okay? Now to be with prepositional phrases. Okay? You might be thinking, what is a prepositional phrase? A prepositional phrase is a combination of a preposition and a noun. Preposition on is a preposition and table is a noun. With is preposition and mother is noun. Okay, this is the combination of a preposition and a noun. The cat is on the table. Okay, cat is on the table. On the table, this is prepositional phrase, and with that we use to be verb. Okay, I am with my mother. They are under the tree. Okay, now let's see. To be as an auxiliary verb means helping verb. Okay, for example, he is eating. Is an auxiliary verb. Eating is a main verb, and when they come together, they make present continuous tense. Now let's see two common uses of verb to be as an auxiliary verb. First, we use to be with present participle. Okay, and second, we use verb to be with past participle. The verb to be as an auxiliary verb with present participle gives us continuous tense. The verb to be as an auxiliary verb with past participle gives us the passive voice. For example, he is reading. Okay, is an auxiliary verb. Reading is present participle. Okay, main verb with ing, and when they come together they make continuous tense. Now second, the food is cooked. Is an auxiliary verb. Cooked is past participle. Okay, main verb with ed form. This is past participle. Now let's see verb to be with present participle. Present continuous tense, past continuous tense, future continuous tense. Okay, and present perfect continuous tense. So here these are subjects. Okay, if you haven't already seen the video subject and object pronoun, then do look out for that video. You can click here to watch that video or get the link in description box. So here these are subjects and these are present form of the verb to be. Am, are, is. Okay, I am eating, you are eating, he is eating, she is eating, it is eating, we are eating, they are eating. Okay, I is singular, you is plural, he, she, it, they are singular, so we use is. We, they are plural, so we use are. Okay, with I we always use am, right? Past continuous tense, in this we use was and were. Okay, these are subjects. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. With I we use was, you, were. With he, she and it we use was, because they are singular subjects. We and they are plural subjects, so we use were. We were, they were. I was eating, you were eating. He was eating, she was eating. It was eating, we were eating. They were eating. Okay? In future continuous tense, we use will be. Okay? I will be. You will be. He will be. She will be. It will be. We will be. They will be. With all subjects, we use will be. Okay, and eating, ing form. Okay, eating or singing, dancing, speaking, any verb. Here, present perfect continuous tense. Okay, here we use have been and has been. Has been we use with he, she, it, singular subjects. Okay, he, she, it, singular subjects. He has been eating, she has been eating, it has been eating. Now let's see the verb to be with past participle by some examples. My work is done. The thief was arrested. The letters were written. It will be delivered next month. My watch has been broken. So done, arrested, written, delivered, and broken. These are past participles. Past participles. And it makes passive voice. Okay? So here these are is, was, were, will be, has been. These are the form of to be. So when we have verb to be with past participle, it makes passive voice. So that's it for the day. Thank you so much for watching.